guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a magnifying glass animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to adjust this and make it a little bit longer, make the duration a little bit longer. Like so. And then on this one you're just going to copy and paste it, go to adjustments and make the saturation a little bit darker. And on the one here, I'm actually just going to scale it in more. You'll see why later. Okay, so I'm just going to select this magnifying glass and I'm just going to place it here. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit as well. Add a keyframe, and then like here I'm going to move it to this one. And then here I'm going to move it here. Then on this one, I'll move it to that one. And then here, I'm going to just move it to the ship. Then I'm going to start masking. Select circle, select reverse, sorry. And we're just going to place it here. And we're going to basically go with the keyframe. So add a keyframe in the mask section here. And then on this side, I'm just going to bring it here. And then here, I'm going to bring it down here. Then on this one, I'll bring that up here. Lastly, we have this one. I'm gonna just bring it there. Okay, the ship isn't really seen, so I might have to move it around, but that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Let me just adjust this. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.